All right, another way you can make money with, online is actually, if you have a blog, if you have a blog, like if you're maintaining your blog, you probably are very well familiar with WordPress plugins.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
If you're not, WordPress plugins might be a different world to you. It might not make like a ton of sense what these things are, and it just might seem like, what the heck is this? But WordPress is something that's behind 20% of all websites on the internet. That's gigantic. And plugins are little pieces of software which make your website better. And they're usually made by third-party people, business people, developers, just maybe like you and me. And the reason I say it's like you is because you don't have to be a developer to make them, because you can hire a developer to make them, and the beauty of them is that you can hire a developer to make them very cheaply. Very cheaply. So whereas if you wanted to make an app, it would cost you like thousands of dollars. But if you wanted to make a WordPress plugin, it would cost you hundreds of dollars. Right? And so then it becomes very cheap to experiment. Relatively cheap to experiment, and it's doable. Right? And then it's something that it's not going away, right? Like the internet is not going away. WordPress is like dominating the bejesus out of the internet. So it's something that is going to be around for at least a couple of more years for sure, if not more. I mean, on the internet, all you can guarantee is a couple of years. I mean, even that is hard, right? But it looks like it's very well poised, right? So you're building on a very solid platform, and WordPress plugins, you can sell them directly, or you can use the freemium model where you give it away for free and charge for some premium feature. And I really like this way of making money because it's easy to develop the software, right? It's easy to develop the product. The cost is low, and for that reason, experimentation is cheap, and for that reason, this lends itself well to entrepreneurs. Maybe who don't want to spend like a lot of money, because who doesn't want to risk a lot of their own money? So WordPress plugin is another great potential way to earn money online.